Next, let us see about function block diagram programming. Function block diagram programming. So you know the symbols of digital logics. What are the digital logics are there? Like a OR, AND, NOT, NOR, XOR, NAND. Like that different symbols are there for digital logic. So this is basically what? AND output. Now if you get question, for example, you are going input, okay, can we have single input OR gate? Can we have single input OR gate? Can we have single input OR gate? Just think, gate, logic gate means what basically? That, okay, like OR gate, they are specifically telling. Now, for example, can we have single input NOT gate? Single input NOT gate. So, for that, you can say yes. But can we have single input OR gate? No, you should not. You should not short circuit. I am asking in general. If you take logic OR gate, so there should be two. Okay. So that you have to keep in your mind always. Okay. That means you may here short this A and B that make it as a one input. I'm not asking like that. Okay. Okay. So R means there will should be two input and means there should be two input. Okay. Now how will you represent this AND gate in the function block diagram using the AND symbol? For OR gate, we are using the greater than or equal 1. Okay, so this is basically square box. Okay, like a square box. Maybe square or it may be rectangle. Okay, whatever maybe it's a box. So inside the box we have to represent by symbol. That is here hand and here it is greater than 1. And for NOT gate it is 1. Okay, now you see at bottom NAND gate. NAND gate is basically derived from the AND gate. So AND gate symbol is same here also, but we are adding one bubble. You can see here at output we are adding the bubble. Okay, then only we are taking the output. It means what? The final output will be inverted. Okay, so that is the main function of this one. Fine. Now here let us see for NOR gate. The symbol is more like a OR gate, but at the output we are adding one bubble, then we are taking the output. Then for XOR gate. So XOR gate, okay, the XOR gate, the symbol is equal to 1. The symbol is equal to 1. For NOT gate, we are representing by 1 only. Any doubt about this symbol? Any doubt about this symbol? Okay. Now let us see some programming based on this function block diagram. So left side we are having ladder programming. So this is basically Siemens. Okay, Siemens logo. For logo, they used to develop like this. This is AND logic. This OR logic. So what will you do here? You will put a box. In the box, you will represent the symbol of logic, that is AND, and giving two input and getting output. Okay, like for or this is same. So we are changing the symbol. Fine. So some people may try to develop the program with help of the FBD. We used to call it as FBD, functional block diagram. Okay, like that. Like that, you can see here one switch as a normally open and another one as a normally closed. The normally represent the normally closed is represented by okay putting a bubble before giving the input. Putting a bubble before giving the input. So this is called the normally closed, and this is normally open. Fine. And both are in AND logic. We are putting the symbol of and getting the output. Now you see here, this is already we saw latch. This is basically latch ladder diagram. Now let us see here. One contact A, this normally open, maybe called as a switch. Another one switch, it is normally open again. Fine. Now this is R. Okay. Now by name, A, this is separate. B, this is separate. This is Q. And this also Q. So it means what? You are trying to use the contact of this output coil. Okay. We are trying to use the output of this coil. Fine. Any doubt? Okay. Now let us see here. How will I get it? A and B both are AND. But before that, this Q is R with A. So that means what? First we have to make this R combination. Let us make the R combination. This is R symbol greater than 1 and output. Okay. Input is one is A, another one is Q. From where it is coming this Q? From the output. Okay. So this I consider it as the output. Fine. Now this combination, this output, the R logic combination is AND with B. So again we are putting a box, putting AND symbol. This combination of R output and separate B. This is a separate B. So both are going input to the AND logic. Then the output of the AND logic part, okay, that we are taking as a input also. Okay, because you see this Q basically from the this output coil. This output coil on means this contact will on like that. So any doubt on this? You may feel little bit confused, but if you practice, then only you can understand. Again, I'm telling ladder programming. You have to practice. Already I told to download one Android based software for PLC. So whatever you are having here, okay, like this, okay, try to, okay, just develop in your Android app and you can check it out, okay, like this, okay. So this is about the, okay, function block diagram programming for PLC. Any doubt? Okay. So try your own. Okay. For example, we are having the previous one here. So thus we can convert it into, we can convert this one into this functional block diagram. Like that you try your own.